Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a current feelings reading for the sign of Leo. This is going to be a general reading, may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So only take what resonates and leave the rest. And if none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, Moon or Venus sign for additional information. So Leo, let's get into your reading and let's look at what is your overall energy at this time. So, Leo, we have the Ace of Cups, but it's in the reverse for you. Let's look at your person's overall energy. Person's overall energy is the Devil, and that's also in the reverse. And let's look at the current situation. Current situation between the two of you is the Two of Pentacles, and that's also in the reverse. So, there's something very toxic about this situation, about this person, because this person has the devil, okay? And the devil is about, be it upright or be it in the reverse, it's a red flag. It's something very toxic, either their behavior, either the way they are dealing with the situation, with this relationship. There could be some manipulation, there could be something happening in this relationship, like a third party, could be addictions, could be anything, could be an obsession as well, could be emotional manipulation. So I see, I don't, I mean, I can understand why you have the Ace of Cups in the reverse, because there is something that is, you were very hopeful about a new beginning in love, but it's not turning out to be the way you thought it to be. Okay, there are some blocks, there are some issues, and you're not feeling that love anymore in this situation or in this relationship. There is an imbalance here. Okay, so let's clarify the Ace of Cups in the reverse for you, Leo. Yeah, you have the Lovers in the upright. So you see this person as a soulmate. There is a strong connection, there's a strong bond here. But what's happening? Why do you not have, you feel that there's no hope in this relationship? Yeah, you have the Five of Swords, and in the reverse. So I feel that there have been instances in the past where you have tried to accommodate this person, tried to understand them, but there's a lot of unhealthy negative energy. Okay, and it could be coming from this person's side, it could be their friends, it could be a lot of negativity around this relationship, and you're tired. You want to leave this situation, but you feel bound to this person for some reason, you feel bound to this relationship for some reason. Maybe it could be because you are so attached to them, you don't want to let them go, or you feel like you can still keep working on this. So let's look at this person's side. They have the Devil here, the Nine of Swords is here. So yeah, this person is stressed, they are very anxious at this time. Why do they have the Devil? The Knight of Cups is in the reverse. So again, I feel that there is a lot of emotional manipulation here. Could be this person is, emotionally unavailable as well. Again, like I said, could be some affair or third party here, but I don't get that at this time. Okay, I don't see a third party, but definitely this person is not emotionally available for you. So why is the Two of Pentacles as the current situation in the reverse? Eight of Pentacles. So I see the two of you constantly trying to put effort, trying to make this work, but whatever you do, whatever you plan, however you take this forward, it just comes to the same conclusion, and the outcome is, it's not working out. There's some blocks here. The Queen of Pentacles here is in the reverse. So there could be a third party here who is interfering in this connection. Could be a Virgo. This person is very it looks like this person is very self-centered, very overly materialistic. So who is this person? Who is this? Could be someone trying to interfere in this connection, could be a family member, could be someone trying to block this relationship from moving forward. So let's see what is the challenge here. From your side, why do you feel challenged? For you, the challenge is a Knight of Wands, an energy of feeling unstable. You don't know where this is going. You don't know what is the future. The Queen of Swords. So you have a lot of passion. You have a lot of dreams for this relationship, but you're not able to stand up for that for yourself. Maybe you're not. There are no. The problem here is a problem of boundaries. Not having clear boundaries between you and this person. Maybe they take you for granted and you let them. Okay, Leo, I need to call you out where I see it. Okay, I can't just whitewash things, but I feel that you let them take you for granted because you love them, or you feel that that's what love is supposed to be. So, this person, what is the block here? Justice. Why is justice the block? Page of Wands. The moon is in the reverse. Could be this person is married. Maybe they hid that part. Maybe they didn't tell you. Maybe they have somebody else on the side. Maybe they have a child. Maybe this could be the third party, could be their spouse, their partner, or maybe not that their partner is a third party, but I feel if they are separated, maybe their ex is the third party here. Um, so let me see the situation. What is the future here? The future is the Page of Cups, but it's in the reverse. So yeah, I again I'm getting a lot of reversal cards here. I feel that no matter what you guys try, even in the future, there's no clarity. Okay, you keep hitting the same block. King of Wands is in the upright. So there needs to be some action, and I do see that action being taken from your side. But from this person's side, I feel uh, they are not matching your energy. Okay, and there's a lack of clarity. There is too much of conflict. The Magician here is in the reverse, so it feels very disappointing because you keep coming to the same outcome, and it kind of makes you lose hope, um, and it feels like a one-sided effort. Okay, it feels like you're the one putting the effort, but there's no effort from the other side. So let's see what is your feelings for this person right now. Yeah, you're not very happy. Okay, you're not very happy here. What is this person's feelings for you? They want to start over. They have the world. They want a new beginning. So it's quite possible they want to release this relationship. Yeah, the Temperance is here. They're not able to heal the situation. They want to let go. Um, they feel that this is a very imbalanced connection, and they're not able to sort this out. Okay, so they want to let go. They want a new beginning. They want a new start. So let's see the outcome of this relationship is the Two of Cups. So there is love here. Why is the Two of Cups the outcome? The King of Swords is here. The problem is there is lack of clarity. Okay, the Six of Wands is here, which is success, which is forward movement, lot of attention, and the Hanged Man is here. So I feel that the situation is not completely lost. If the two of you can come together and take take help of somebody, like a counselor or somebody who can help you through this, or there's this energy of trying to heal and let go of the past, let go of something so that you can come together and make this work, because it's not something that you both can't put your work into and make this better. It's not a gone case completely. There's still a lot of scope of improvement here. There's still a chance of this relationship coming together. It needs is a bit of healing, a different perspective. Um, yeah, the Ten of Pentacles. I see some financial mismanagement as well. Like not feeling stable in this relationship. Yeah, somebody needs to wake up, okay, because there's a lot of illusion. So again, like I said, there are a lot of things that are not clear, a lot of illusions. Somebody here needs to wake up and take action, okay, because if you or this person don't come together and take action at the right time, this might go towards the very other end, the other extreme. That is, it may go towards an ending. But right now, I feel the situation is not that bad. Like, you can still make this work. The star is here in the reverse. So, yeah, there is a lack of hope as well, a lack of not feeling very positive. Okay, the universe is saying that listen to your intuition, lean towards spirituality, take some time off. Maybe that also might help. Someone here needs to stand up for this relationship. Okay, if this is a marriage, somebody here needs to fight for this relationship, put an end to the burdens and the baggage. Someone here could be a workaholic, feeling very stuck and stagnant. There needs to be a change, there needs to be a transformation, and that's the only way how this can move forward. And it has to be from both sides, it can't just be from one side. Okay, so let's look at what are the oracle messages here for Leo. What messages do we have? We have calling your soulmate, your prayers, affirmation, and visualizations help bring you together. So, yeah, this is again the universe reminding you of the power of prayer, of visual affirmations, of positive thinking, because that is or that does help in attracting your soulmate very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So again, like I said, Leo, I feel that the situation is not completely out of hand. You can still make this work with your partner, with your person, and provided they are on board with this, they want the same things as you do. But if that is the intent, that is what you both want, I see that the situation can easily turn around. Okay, so don't lose hope and don't lose faith, and be positive. And I'll be back with another reading. But if you wish to book a private reading, I'm available. You can reach out to me on my email ID or my website. Details are on the screen in the description box. You can check it out there. Join my channel, YouTube channel membership, and become a member for early access to all videos as well as bonus readings. All details you will get once you click on the join button on my YouTube channel. And do like, share, and subscribe. Do comment. Let me know how this resonates with you. I'll be back with another reading. Till then, take care.